Guess the food by emoji.
Loser have to eat mayonnaise.
Sweat puppy. I have no clue.
Hot dog.
Oh my gosh. Okay. AB shake. Baby shake. Baby bottle pop.
I think it's milkshake.
You were right. I think you're gonna be eating the mayonnaise on this one.
I think it's banana split.
I think it's banana split too. Yes, I don't have to eat it.